Hi everybody, this is Shanda and Mark, and they're going to give us a tour of their camper. And we're at a Vintage Camper Rally. And tell us, what make and model is the camper?
This is a 1956 Great Lakes mobile home.
So it is a mobile home and not really a camper.
Yes, ma'am.
But you can tow it. Okay, and how long is it?
It's 36 feet long.
All right, let's go inside. And we're going to see inside. And those are the little ones that you hear. Alright, look at this. It is just like a home. I'm waiting for my light to adjust. There. There we go. Okay. Alright, so tell us, what did you have to do to the camper when you bought it?
Mark, come on in. Mark, come on. We a lot of the boards, the birch was still in good shape. This part right here was not. We did replace these boards. We added a wall there to hold the refrigerator. This, we had to redo some of this right up here, but not all of it.
Can you turn the AC off just for the video?
And then...
And we're at a Vintage Camper Rally that's Christmas in July. So that's why the Christmas decorations. Now, is that the original couch?
This is the original click-clack couch, but we, of course, recovered it. It was in an awful pink, faded. It was bad. So we did have to recover it. The floor was still in it, but it was in really bad shape. So we've thrown something down right now for a little while until we decide what exactly we do want to do.
Did you just get the camper?
We got it in 2020, April of 2020.
Okay.
It was our COVID project. So
that's a good time to do it.
The thing that a couple of things we really love. We really love the slide and the pocket door. It was all still here. We just had to piece it back together. It wasn't put together, but it was all still there. So we kind of pieced it back together and replaced some of the boards for it.
That's good that it was there for you, though.
Yeah, so we kind of knew what it looked like, so we just had to replace some of it.
Right. And let me get a shot from this way.
And then
shows the kitchen.
The cabinets were all still good. We haven't done anything to them except for just touch them up a little bit. The drawers, everything here was still good. Huge, really nice, big drawers. We have put this on here. It was yellow, and the back was yellow. And we'll eventually go back to that, but we just kind of had to do something to get us started with it.
To make it usable. Yeah.
The stove is original, but it hasn't been refurbished.
Okay, so you're not using it.
We're not using it right now.
Okay.
Eventually we will.
It is a gas stove. It has the window and the door.
Yeah,
okay, what about this light up here?
We just found it at Lowe's because we thought it was really
It is, and it matches.
Cool. We kind of matched everything. We really love these as well, and we have uplighting in the living room.
Over top of the windows.
Yeah. Oh, is it on?
It might not show up. Oh, there it goes. Okay.
So we have those. Some of that had to be replaced, but not all of it. A lot of it was original. We had the patterns, so we knew what it looked like.
And we've got Scott's lights up here at the front.
And they turn.
Let me turn around.
Yeah.
And those are original?
No, they're not
They're
original.
not original.
We have a shade, but we didn't know part of it was missing. So once we've saved them, like everything else, and once we figure out how it works and what goes with it, we'll fix it.
And what about the curtains?
We had the drapes made. We went to a material shop in Commerce and picked up the material, and we had a local seamstress make the curtains.
And then we'll go toward the back.
Yeah, this is the pantry. We've got to do a little bit of work in there, but it's just food and that kind of thing.
And this is your air conditioner you're using now?
Yes.
Okay.
We're afraid to cut a hole in the top. I don't know. We love the raised ceiling, and that was another thing that's really sold us on this one when we decided to buy it.
But if this air conditioner works, then I would just stay with that.
It kind of keeps us cool.
Oh, look at this. It's like a little
this
sitting room.
was basically done when we bought it. We refinished some of it, but the birch was still completely good in here. The cabinets were still good. This was still good. We did add one door. It was missing one door.
So this is wardrobe.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So these drawers were still good. We didn't really do anything in this room except for add a door right there. So,
guys, I apologize if you hear the dogs barking.
Sorry.
It's because
It's
there's
our
a lot of
chihuahuas.
people walking around, and they're getting upset that people are coming on their property.
Yeah.
So I apologize for that. Like I said, we are at a rally, and this is a rally where the public can come and tour the campers. So there's a lot of people coming through.
And I'll back out so you can get in the bathroom area. The bathroom was right here, and the sink was right here on the right. When we got it, they had already moved the sink over here. This used to be a closet. So
Okay.
they had already opened up the bathroom, and we just went with it. We didn't try to
Yeah, I
just
like
because
it.
it's bigger.
Yeah, it gives you
there's
more
room. So, yeah, we've still got the original tub. I wanted to change the black, but then once I started cleaning it up, and it was original, and so I didn't change it out because it cleaned up pretty well. And
Now, does this have a... Oh, it has another pocket door
it
here.
has pocket doors between every room. Yes.
Okay.
It has
And then
pocket
again
doors.
between the bedroom.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
somebody out here could use the bathroom and have privacy.
And there are mirrors on the backs of every pocket door as well.
Cool.
And we have not had to change any of those mirrors.
So let's see in the bath or bedroom here.
I'm going to hand this out to him right quick, just to get it out of the way.
That's okay. You can keep
No,
it
it
here.
needs to go because
Okay.
we can't walk around. Mark,
She's handing something out to her husband.
sorry. Mark.
So there is a back door, which is
Yes.
great for emergencies here.
Mhm.
Look at their spot right here by the creek. Oh, and then your windows, they open out
Mhm.
like that. Okay.
They're just the rollout ones.
So here's the
Very
bed.
tiny bedroom.
Yeah, but it works. And this
Tiny,
is like
yeah.
a full-size bed?
It's a full, yeah.
Okay. And it
Yeah.
looks like it
And we didn't
might
have to do
be an
anything in
original light.
This part still got to be replaced. We did have to replace the ceiling, but this was
So there was
good.
some water damage there.
There
see.
was.
But that's all been fixed. The leaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we got it, it wasn't leaking. It had already been fixed before that.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we just got to slowly keep
See
replacing
some
the
more
birch.
back in that corner.
Mhm. Yeah.
Well, at least
Yeah.
you didn't have to do the hard work.
No, we didn't have
you
to
just
do
have
all
to
that.
fix the damage.
Yep.
All right, guys. So here's a view from the bathroom out, and I'll walk you out this way. It's hard with the cell phone camera when I put it on video. It goes kind of close up. So I will add still shots at the end so you can see everything. And I thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.